Today's video about HP deskjet 2742 e-printer setup using Windows 10 laptop. Now first step is enter it into the setup mode. Press and hold the cancel button and the wireless button all together. Once power button starts to flash, release it. After some time it will stay on and the blue light will start to flash. That means your printer has entered into the setup mode. Now go to your Windows 10 PC or laptop. Open the HP Smart app. Click on the Set up a new printer. You will see 2700 series. Click on it. Click Continue. Check if this is the correct Wi-Fi network of your home or office. Press the information button on the control panel of the printer, which is white light flashing. Select the country you are living. You can activate the HP if you want. If you want, you can create a HP account, or you can just skip it. You can send link to other devices, or you can skip it. So it says the setup is complete. Let's print. So I'll show you here. Click on the print button just to confirm our printer is connected.
On the next page, select your printer.
Click on the print. So here we can see our printer is connected with the home or office Wi-Fi network using Windows 10 laptop. Thanks for watching.